Welcome to another video. So this video will get introduced to what is known as a do-while loop. Okay, so last few classes we have studied what is a while loop, how to use while loop to solve different kind of problems. Okay, so here also we'll start with the while loop and we will go to do-while loop. So list all the natural numbers from 0 to 25. So we will try to solve this small problem and understand how do we use a do-while loop and what is a do-while loop. Right. So what we have to do is we have to list all the natural numbers. So natural numbers are positive integers from 1 that are even and between 0 and 25. Okay. So let's say I'll declare an integer with I. Right. I'll start a while loop. I'll increase the value of I till 25 until unless I become 25. Then I'll print the value of I. So we have a space here and I. So instead of increasing I by 1, I will increase by 2. So after each loop, the value of I will increase by 2. And I will start I by initiating I equal to 2. Okay, so start with 2 and every loop I will increase 2. So first I value will be 2, it will become 4, then it will become 6, 8, so like that it will go. Okay, so and I am printing the value. So we just run this, so simple program. So it is giving me all the even natural numbers from 0 to 25, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? So it is always, remember that it is always not as compulsory that you have to use I equal to I plus plus or I equal to I plus 1. You can increase I by any value. So this loop will continue until unless this criteria is satisfied. Now, if you want to use a do while loop, so what the syntax is like this. So we have to write do, then we have to say what we are supposed to write. So let's say I want to the block of code that I have to repeat. So same thing, I want to print I equal to, so this I equal to I plus 2, you can also write as I plus equal to 2. So this is also same thing, right? So this means I equal to I plus 2. Assignment operator. If you are confused with this, we have already a video on assignment operators. Go back and have a look into that. After which you have to check the condition. While I is less than or equal to 25. And remember, there is one important thing you have to remember here. So we have to put a semicolon here. Many people forget this semicolon. Right here we don't need a semicolon. Here we have to put in a simple while loop. You don't need semicolon. So here one thing you have to remember is once this while loop is over, the first while loop from 13 to 17 is over, the value of I become so 26, right? 24 plus 2, 26. When 26 is less than or equal to 25, that criteria is not satisfied. That is when the loop stops. So at line number 17, the value of line number 18, the value of I will be 26. So this I have to change it back to 2, right? So I need a small separator between two results. What I will do is give a line. So I'll give some characters here. Give another line. Now let's say we'll run this. Okay, so there is a mistake here. What is a mistake? So there is a bracket issue. Where is the bracket missing? So line number. Oh, sorry, here. I forgot the bracket here. Same. Okay, fine. So this is the result from first while loop. Okay, just bring a magnifier so that it's clear to you. So this first while loop will give me this result 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, and the second, then I have printed a separator here like this. So that separator is coming here. Then afterwards, my do while loop is running. Okay, so do while loop also is giving me same result. So it is nothing but same, the task is to do the same thing but in a slightly different manner. Okay, now what is the difference between a while loop and a do while loop? So first thing you have to learn here is syntax is, first you have to write do. So do means do whatever I am asking you to do, so do this much. Okay, then you check. Okay, so this is the difference between these two. So in a simple while loop, what first it is checking, then it is doing the block of code. In a do while loop, without even checking, it is going and doing the first block, then it is checking. Okay, so that is the difference. In a while loop, the loop will start only after the condition is met. In a do while loop, there is always one run. The block will be run once before the criteria is checked. Okay, so if you want to make sure how it works, let's say I'll comment this line. Okay, now what is happening when I commented this line, meaning of that is, after this loop, in line number 18, the value of I will be 26. So after this loop, the i's value will increase by 2 and it will stop when I become 26. Now here i's value is 26. Now let's see what is output of this program. So it is giving me 26. Why it is giving me 26? Because once the value of I is 26, it is coming to do, it is printing the value of 26, it is increasing the value of 26 to 28, then it is going and checking whether 28 is less than or equal to 25. Then it is finding that it is not true and the loop will end. Right? Correct? So I hope this is clear. The main difference is, while loop, first it will check, then execute the line of code. Do while loop, first it will execute the line of code once, then it will go and check the. Always remember the semicolon also. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Try to do whatever exercise we have done in using while loop with help of do while loop. The purpose of while loop and do while loop is more or less the same. Only thing is, if you want the code to be run once without checking anything, you have to use do while loop. Right. Okay, so I think that is for today. We will see in the next video.